Welcome to clickmyproject.com.
Now we are going to discuss about the product reversible data hiding with image enhancement using histogram shifting. Now we are going to discuss about the abstract for the process. Digital image processing is process of images in order to improve this clarity and quality, as well as due to the need of the security while sending the image to the receiver. In present days, many of the approaches focuses largely on reversible data hiding in encryption and then the decryption of the images. So it can be maintained the first rate quality of image. Original image can be easily improved without any loss of pixel after embedding the image. In every previous technique, embed rate versus the reversible vacating room from the encrypted images, which may be causes of some flaws on data extraction and then the image restorations. Hence this method improve the security of the image as well as they improve the quality of the image due to the receiver side by minimizing the loss of the data. Now we are going to discuss about the flow diagram for the process. This is the overall working flow for this process. At first, the step 1 is the input image. The input image is getting from the dataset. The dataset is the folder which consists of the several images. After getting any one image from the dataset, the pre-processing will be carried out. In this pre-processing step, the image resize will be done by using the number of row equal to 256 and then the number of column equal to 256. Hence, the number of row 256 represents the number of pixels in the row wise is 256 and then the number of pixels in the column wise is 256. After the pre-processing, the room reservation is done. So in this room reservation, the image is splitted into 4 patches. After splitted the image into 4 patches, we just encrypt the one patch from among that 4 patches. Remaining the 3 patches will be remains same. After the encryption of that particular patch, the data will be embedded into one particular patch. That is the data embedding. After embedding the data into one specific location, the encryption is done for the whole image. That is the encryption step. After the encryption, the decryption will be carried out and then the data which is embedded into one particular patch will be extracted. That is the data extraction. After the extraction of the data, the image will be reconstructed once again, which is similar to the input image which I have given as an input image. Then after the image reconstruction, the performance will be evaluated by means of the PSNR, MSC, SSIM and time. By these 4 parameters we can justify our process is efficient or not. Now we are going to discuss about the initial running procedure for the process. At first, open the MATLAB 2015B and change the current directory. If you want to execute the code means just right click in the main_GUI.yum and select the option run. Now the initial GUI was open. In that GUI you can see the several axes for the display purpose and then the several push buttons for the controlling actions. First of all, click the input image. After clicking the button input image, select any one image from the dataset. After the selection of the input image from the dataset, the corresponding image will be shown in the axis 1 with the title input image. After getting the input image, the pre-processing will be carried out. Hence, in this pre-process, the image will be resized into an aspect ratio of 256 cross 256. Hence, the resized image is shown in the axis 1 with the title pre-processed image. Then the room reservation will be carried out. So, after clicking the button room reservation, the 4 patches will be separated and then the display like this. Axis 1 shows the first patch, then the axis 2 shows the second patch, then the axis 3 shows the third patch, and as well as the axis 4 display the fourth patch. Now we can enter any one patch number and then give the button submit. Now the corresponding patch is shown here, hence the encrypted region shows the patch 2. After the encryption of that specific patch, we have to embed the data. So now click the button data embedding and then select any one text file from the data. After selection of the text file, the encrypted text will be shown in this edit box. Now the encrypted data is shown here. After the data embed, the encryption is done. Hence the encrypted result is shown in the axis 1 with the title encrypted image. After the encryption, the decryption part will be carried out. So first of all, click the decryption button. Now after clicking the button decryption, the decrypted image is shown here. Now in this decrypted image, the part which is the room reservation part is only the encrypted and remains the other 3 patches will be free. Now click the button data extraction. Now the encrypted data as well as the extracted data is shown here. After the data extraction, the image reconstruction will be carried out. Hence in this image reconstruction, the original image is again reconstructed and then shown in this axis. After that, the performance is evaluated by means of the PSNR and MSE. Hence the PSNR value is shown here and then the MSE value is shown here.